Hi, who are you?
Before I begin my Totally Legit introduction, are you hungry?
Well, obviously I am, and your hair looks quite ugly. I suggest you go bald for a better experience and a shinier head.
Well, if you're hungry, have this.
What the hell is that?
It's the totally legendary blue black tomato. Legend says that if you eat it, you get a lot of powers.
Feels like someone's stabbing me in the head.
If you eat one more, you'll get a lot of abilities. You can even control time and you can undo your mistakes.
He fell for it. How unfortunate.
Props to the second Evil Windows clone for bringing us back.